Hi, Sir Ed. Hi, classmates. By the way, I will going to discuss environmental analysis, chapter 2. For the macro environmental factors, I chose to use the PESEL analysis. The political, economical, social, technological, legislative, and environmental factors. Let's go by one. So for the political, para makapag-start yung company, they have to abide with government policies. Ano ba to? Including the BIR registration, business permit, of course, and buti na lang si Pabile is already registered with the DTI. Graft and corruption. Conflict to, especially kapag lumaki na yung business. Once na naging patok na to, they really have to deal with the corruption sa ating government. Another one would be the economic factors. Is it really applicable yung rate ng pabili, considering that there is a difference sa income sa province and sa Manila. Plus, they are charging higher costs relative sa cost ng nasa merchants when they buy directly sa merchants. Another would be social. Concerns the age group. Are the age group tech savvy, lifestyle tech savvy? Trust issues. Are they willing to give their details? Similarly, trust issues between the pabile driver or the company and the consumer. So there are risks na makancel yung food or mga scammers, and yung another platform nila eventually, that would be the Pabile wallet. So, yan. So, since hindi pa masyadong established yung branding, this is really a concern that will have to be addressed. Another one would be technological factors. Internet connectivity. Alam naman natin dito sa Philippines na mababa ang ating internet speed. Queuing system. Once na lumaki na yung demand ng market, they will have to increase their infrastructure to be able to meet the demands and to fasten the service. Application support. Currently, Google pa lang available yung app, but they have but Pabila is also available in Facebook. So in case that you want to order and you are using Apple for some reason, yeah, so you can order online through the Facebook page. Another one would be legal. Syempre, when you sign up with the application, there is a license agreement, and it will be between the two, between customer and the pabile, or pabile and the driver. Similarly, in the future, pabile with the merchants. Taxation law, of course, they will have to pay for taxes, and yung labor law when it comes to drivers. Saka data privacy law in terms of the data ng mga consumers as well as the data that are provided sa kanilang platform. Environmental factors. Another factor would be the geographical location. Considering that this is provincial, medyo malalayo yung merchants with regards to customer location. Also, possible na hindi maganda yung daan. So, that's another cause of delay. Weather. Syempre, when it comes to bagyo, ganyan, so medyo doon natin in-expect na mataas yung demand. But still, another factor din siya para hindi makapag-deliver. So, yan. For the second part, I chose to discuss it accordingly sa industry value chain ng pabili. To start with, kailangan natin ng infrastructure. Siyempre, yung hardware and software. Initially, yung motor na kailangan for delivery. And of course, yung protection ng food from heat and damages. So, isa yan sa mga risks na kailangan natin ma-address. Organizational team naman. Currently, small team pa lang sila, Pabile.ph. So, in terms of marketing, medyo busy-busy din talaga tong si Jonas Dulay kasi siya rin talaga lahat gumagawa ng kung ano-anong activity. Technological development. So, dito naman, yung use ng technology when it comes to marketing. So, currently kasi, di ba, Facebook pa lang yung ginagamit nila. But eventually, hindi ko pala na-share. Yung when they tried to top the market using the Facebook, Facebook marketing, and then they realized that yung natap na market medyo outside na talaga nung area, so hindi rin nila kayang i-handle. So, hindi nila tinuloy yung marketing using the Facebook. But, they just plug in yung mga pictures sa page nila. Tapos, another would be yung, syempre, yung capacity ng system when it comes to queuing and yung improvement further ng platform. So, suppliers are their partners. But eventually, but currently, wala pa talagang agreement between merchants and pabili. So, they were not able to give discounts and promos unlike the other competitors na nagde-deliver sa Manila. Operations sila is limited pa lang sa Nagcarlan, Rizal, and San Pablo. Expected, kapag dumami na yung demand, and dumami na rin yung drivers, they can expand dun sa other locations. Tapos, yung drivers naman natin is limited pa lang din, since 3 pa lang sila. So, dalawa, yung isa ay yung best friend niya, and then yung isa, ayun, so driver lang din talaga. So, itong mga driver na to is the one that are interacting sa mga customers natin. So, nasa kanila nakasilala yung customer service, maliban kay CEO Jonas Dulay. And, yung visibility ng application dun sa market. Marketing naman, currently nabanggit ko nga na they are doing digital marketing but also doing traditional marketing. Because especially na provincial to, so di ay masyadong tech savvy yung mga tao. Pabili would just want to let them know sa mga tao dun sa province na they have this services na. So, meron na rin binibigay na posters and flyers para ma-educate yung mga tao. Customer service, this is part of the marketing, syempre. Especially when you have good customer feedback, sila na yung mismo mag-market sa'yo. So, important na you maintain good customer service and accept feedbacks from your customers. Currently, ang platform nila for feedbacks is just Facebook review. But eventually, kasama naman yun sa mga nakaline for improvement ng yung platform. Profit margin naman, currently, they put 5% margin, increase 5% margin sa sales, sa price ng product. But eventually, if they will have to improve all the platform technological development, improve operations, increase suppliers, they will have to revisit kung enough ba yung 5% margin, or is that necessary para ma-maintain or ma-lower yung cost ng goods and give the same convenience and customer service. That's all the time I have. Thank you, guys. I will turn you back now to my group mates. See you soon. Bye.